Welcome to Seven Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss more about backlinks and mention. Now you know the popularity means how many other websites, how many other persons online they have referred you or your business or your website. Now if they refer your business or website by hyperlinking anchored text to your website, that is called a backlink. Suppose from example from Facebook you have shared one status update and you have given visit http www.7boats.com and it is linked to 7boats.com homepage. So that means you have given one backlink from your Facebook profile to 7boats.com homepage. Now in the same way in your status update if you write I am learning digital marketing from 7 Boats Academy and you have not given any hyperlink, any anchor text there, but you have only just mentioned the brand name. So automatically this is called the mention. Now Google will treat both the backlink and mention in similar way. Earlier mention was not important, but nowadays Google will relate brand mentions as well as backlinks in a same weightage. So you have to gather both backlink and brand mention, and it comes under social reviews, different reviews in different websites, blogs, different review sites, comment, social share, and also in different other backlinks from your website. So it depends on what are the other websites, what other persons they are talking about you. So this is called the popularity. The more and more users talking positively about you, the better the chance your page, your website would come at the top of the search results. So this is called the popularity building. Now how to build up the popularity? So building up the popularity means you have to gather more and more quality backlinks as well as mentions to your website. Now coming to the next part, the type of links. In this chapter we would learn about what is called no follow links, what is called do follow links, what is called homepage link, homepage backlink, and what is called deep links. So let us discuss with the first thing, what is called a no follow and do follow link. Now let's start with this. Say for example here we can see we have given link to say we have given link here, say your story. So if we click on this, so it would automatically take us to your story page. Now that means 7 Boats has given one external link or outbound link to your story. That means your story page, this page yourstory.com, it has got one backlink or inbound link from 7boats.com website. Now whenever we are putting one external link from our page, we should always keep it no follow. Why it's no follow? No follow means we are not taking any guarantee, any liability of linking back to this domain, because what there might be a situation that today you are giving external link or outbound link to xyz.com. Now after 5 years xyz.com might be hacked, xyz.com might not into the business and their site might be into a different sector, different field, or it can be a hacked, or it can be a adult site, whatever. So you should not be penalized for linking back to this domain. So for being in the safe side, we always put it no follow. That means no follow means we are not passing any SEO juice, any SEO benefit towards that domain. Most of the cases nowadays, every external links we put always no follow, and you have to, and the do follow is the just opposite of it. Do follow means we fully trust it, pass on SEO juice to those particular links. So all your internal links, contextual internal link or navigational internal link, they must be do follow, and any external link that you are putting, it should be no follow. And there must be a ratio of no follow and do follow. We say 80% cases it should be no follow and 20% it should be do follow, and 20% must be your no follow. That means you should give 20% external links from a page or from your website, and 80% should be your internal links and it should be do follow. So 80% internal do follow, 20% external no follow. This is a tentative formula that you have to keep in mind. So if you are using say 100 links, total links in a page, so it should must be 80 internal links and 20 external links. Now let us check with this. So if we click on this and inspect element, so we can check it here. So this is given like this way, href. So whatever we have given here, we have given the do follow links because the your story page that is also talking about 7 boats only. So that's the reason we have put it a do follow. That means we are trusting this particular page. Now if you check with any kind of other website, say Wikipedia. So if you check with Wikipedia Digital India, whatever. So if you click on this, now if you see the external links, if you check with external links, so DNA India. So if we click on this, so if we click on this, so you see this a relevance equals to no follow class external text. So you can clearly see this is a no follow link. So no follow link you have to write in this way, relevance equal to under double quote, it should be no follow. But for do follow, if you don't write anything here, automatically it would be considered as a do follow. So you have to write no follow in this way. Now for WordPress we can easily get one plugin that is called WP no follow plugin. So if you log into your WordPress and if you check with the plugin section, so you can get WP no follow. You would come to this very soon. Now let us discuss with what is called homepage backlink and what is called a deep link. Now if you check with your story page, if you see this, they have put anchor text 7 boards and they have linked it to the home page. So that means 7boards.com is getting one homepage backlink from yourstory.com. Now if this is an internal page of 7 boards, then automatically we can say 7 boards has got one deep link from yourstory.com. So if in case of 7boards.com, if it is another page, say 7boards.com/services, then we can say this is one deep link. For example, if we check with 7boards Facebook page, so if you click on the Facebook page of 7boards, so you can check over here. So you can see here like say this. So 7boards info system from Facebook, this URL facebook.com 7boards. So we have referred this page friends of IT committee. So you can see, you can check this URL 7boards.com/FOITC-BCC. So that means from Facebook 7boards profile, this FOITC page is getting one deep link. That means one backlink. So this is called deep link. So any backlink towards your internal page, that is called deep link, and any backlink towards your home page is called homepage backlink. Now you should maintain a ratio of 60-40. That means 60% whatever backlinks, say 100 backlinks, different 100 websites they are giving backlinks to you. So out of 100 websites you should get idealistically 60 backlinks towards pointing towards your home page and 40 backlinks pointing towards your different other internal pages. So this is called 60-40 ratio. So we are talking about no follow, do follow. So no follow, it should be 20% external links, no follow, and 80% should be your do follow links, that is pointing to your internal pages, and 60% from backlinks, whatever you are getting, 60% should be your homepage backlink and 40% should be your deep link. Now if we check with this, so we log into this panel and we check with WP no follow plugin here. So let us check with it. So if we go to plugin sections, if we go to add new section, so we can search here with WP nofollow. So we search this plugin. So you can see WP nofollow for external link. So you can install this nofollow for external link, or you can click on this nofollow external link. You can check this. So nofollow more links, nofollow blog rule, so nofollow links, WordPress SEO nofollow, so nofollow links. So there are lots of plugins, so you have to check with how to what are the WP external links nofollow new into SEO. So this is the getting most good reviews, so you can check with, you can click on install now and you can configure this plugin. So in that way you can install, you don't have to write a hard code relevance equal to nofollow, so easily you can get all your external links nofollowed by these plugins. Now if we go to the different types, so we say 80-20 internal and external, 80-20, and we say do follow no follow, it is also 80-20 rule. So 75-25 you can put it in that way. So we have discussed about homepage link and deep link, and we have always we have already told you that you keep internal links all as do follow and keep external links as no follow. Now coming to the part of page rank concept. Now what is called a page rank? Now for example, if we, before coming to the page rank, so if we write here 7 boats info system, so if we write this, I learn DM from, so if you write this, this is called mention. So you have only mentioned the brand name, Google can automatically pick it up that 7 boats info system, you are talking about 7 boats info system. So 7 boats info system is getting one mention, and if you put it here as this, so that means you are putting a backlink to the home page, so automatically it would be linked. So this is called mention and backlink. Both are very important for popularity build up for your off-page SEO. Now why it is called off-page SEO? Because whatever we are doing it on third-party websites, say for Facebook. So we are updating this Facebook page. Now for some reason this page might get banned or this page might be deleted, so it is not full 100% control in our control, but in on page we have full control, 100% control. So we call it off page because we don't have the full control. It depends on the third-party website's policy and different terms and conditions. So this is called off page. So popularity build up means Google is always saying that you don't have to build links, you have to earn links. Now how to earn links? That means if you put good content, if you focus about your customers, your potential users, automatically people would love you. So Google is saying that, but we say always that if you are not a brand, if you are very new, so you have to build a brand. So nobody would give you that kind of reference, whatever good content you have. So still you have to adopt a blended approach so that you can get some good links, you can backlinks, you can have some boost, and then automatically with your good content people can share more and more, and you can earn more positive good quality backlinks. So it's we need to take a blended approach. So that's the reason we need to build links. Now we are coming to the page rank concept. Now what is called page rank? Page rank means earlier, nowadays it is obsolete. Earlier what happened, Google mostly used to give a toolbar page rank, that means a rank from 0 to 10 for every page of your website. Now the definition of page rank is like that: if there is no search engine, if there is no Google, the probability that from a website, if you follow different links and if you come to your website, So how many clicks, after how many clicks you are coming to your website, that probability is called a page rank. So if your website is easily findable and require minimum clicks, that means your page rank is high. So that means if most of the person, they can find your website easily by following links, so that means you are getting most votes and your page rank would go high. Now what happened, why Google have stopped this page rank concept? Because what happened, if somebody is getting a page rank of 6 or 7 out of 10, so they are somehow, it is proven that they are having good quality website. Now what happened, they started selling links, they started it as a wrong business way. So what happened, for a new website they are starting to sell these things, that we are a PageRank 7 website, we can give you a do follow backlink to your home page in terms, if against say 50,000 rupees for 3 or 4 months. Now PageRank is updated in every 4 months, 3 or 4 months by Google. So for 3 or 4 months, for a new website, if they have money, they can get a very good quality backlink from a good PageRank site, and automatically they also get certain PageRank and boost in their search rank. So the net neutrality, the relevancy of Google search results, that is getting degraded. So that's the reason Google has stopped all these things. So they have obsolete, they have cut down this page rank concept, and they have totally ignored this signal from their ranking algorithm. So right nowadays page rank does not matter. Instead of page rank, nowadays page authority and domain authority, that we say PA and DA, that has come into the place. So we will discuss about what is PA and DA in the next chapter, in the next module. Now the next question is how to find your backlinks. So there is one public tool that is called backlinkwatch.com. So you can find tentative backlinks from this. Another tool is called Google Webmaster tool or Google Search Console. So that we will discuss in later in detail what is Google Webmaster tool, but from here also you can see the number of backlinks for your website. So if you see backlink watch, you can put the URL over here and you can check on this number of backlinks. So if you put here say 7boards.com, you click on check backlink. Now if we go to Google Webmaster tool and if you click on any website, any property, and if you see links to your site, you can get a total number of links. So total 514 links. This is also a rough idea that Google has found 514 different links to your website. So this is total number of links, and you can see what are the domains. So you can click on this, so you can get different domains here. So these are the different domains. So 64 domains, you can see total 514 links. So from Google Webmaster tool, you can see from backlink watch, you can get from backlink watch, you can get also this total backlinks 1556. You can check here. And also there is another tool we called opensiteexplorer.org. From here also you can see the total number of backlinks for you and for your competitors as well. So these tools, this backlink watch and OpenSite Explorer, these are the public tools, so you can check with any of your competitors as well. But Google Webmaster tool, that will give you the exact data for your own website or for your client's website. So you must have the access, admin access of this, so then only you can get this data. So in the next module we will discuss about what is the best practices, what are the anchor text, what is the page authority and domain authority concept, and how to build links. Thank you.